Let's build a simple water level indicator. The idea is we want to create a device that sits inside a water tank, measures the water level, and then sends that information wirelessly to the receiver inside your home. For the transmitter, I've selected the ESP-01 microcontroller. It's compact, powerful, and packed with features. Most importantly, it supports the ESP-NOW, which is a wireless communication protocol developed by Espressif that enables multiple ESP devices to communicate with each other. I'm using an ultrasonic sensor to measure the water level. It sends out a pulse of ultrasonic sound, waits for the echo, and calculates the distance based on the time it takes for the echo to return. To execute the transmitter design, I first made this schematic, mounted the circuit on a breadboard, tested it, and soldered the components on a perf board. Then I designed a custom case in Onshape and 3D printed them using PLA. Once the printing was complete, I carefully mounted the circuit inside the case. You can find the STL files in the description below. For the receiver, I've used its elder sibling called NodeMCU, along with a dot matrix display and a buzzer. I connected all the components on a breadboard following this layout. After that, I wrote the code for both the transmitter and receiver and uploaded them. You can find the code in the description as well. To ensure everything works as expected, I set up a test environment. I added 2 push buttons to mark the empty and full levels, so the microcontroller can understand the tank's boundaries. I set the empty level and began filling the tank. Then I set the full level, and when the water exceeds it, the buzzer goes off. As you can see, it's functioning perfectly. Finally, I mounted the transmitter inside the water tank. And provided a 5-volt power supply. Then I made a case for the receiver as well, and now everything is up and running. We can integrate batteries into this project and work on controlling the starter panel, but that's for another video. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.